Ta-da! Went out for a bike ride this morning. Decided to make, well, it's kind of out of the way because the bike path is right up here. Ran out to a small town near me, Clifton Park, to the nearest Kohl's and picked this up. I was looking around online on the price of these and I figured, you know something, if I can get it like with a 30% off coupon, that I would actually get it. So if you do have a Kohl's credit card, you get 30% off on this. So it drops the price down to like $180 from $240. This is just the basic model. This is not the deluxe model. We're just gonna do an unboxing of this, and I might cook up a few chicken thighs after I wash everything. My name's Lisa, and welcome to Pressure Crisp. So since you're over there, we might as well just do this. I'm gonna take a knife so you can see that I'm actually just opening this for the first time. Go. All right, let's turn it around. Let's see what it says. So accessories and expand your culinary capabilities. You can get a griddle, roasting rack, dehydrator stand, veggie tray, griddle cup, and a multi-purpose pan. So just eyeballing this real fast. I know I'm gonna get the roasting rack and the griddle. The rest of these, not too sure about yet, because I already have a dehydrator. Let's see if we can get this out of the box without. Looks like directions. Yes, I'm so nice, neat, and orderly doing this. All right. So we have, cool, they actually recommend oils. You want a high temp oil, and the high temp oil would be like grapeseed oil, avocado oil, off the top of my head. So, and that's for the grill function. So I'm gonna read all this as well when I have a chance. But oh look, the lovely cookbook. Some of the recipes. Oh no, you got kebabs too. I gotta see if there's what I have to see what's in this box. Ooh, look at that. Grilled apple and raspberry pie. Yum, yum, yum. Look at this. French fries with Parmesan and garlic mayo. They stole that recipe from me because I made the garlic parm French fries. And I stole it from BurgerFi. Well, it's my version of BurgerFi's French fries. And you're hearing me ramble on about this. There's quite a few things in here, so I'm gonna have to check this out, read it. And I haven't watched one video on the grill, nor have I watched an infomercial, so this is just, yeah, this is just me opening the box and seeing what's going on here. Ooh, register now for an exclusive accessory offer. So I am gonna register. Maybe I'll get a good deal on the accessories. So it does pay to read. And here's a quick start guide, just like the other Ninja Foodi. Lovely, look at this. That's great. That's really good. I like how it goes up to 500 degrees because I hope to get more of a char. Because I like my steaks medium rare, and most people that I cook for, except for one person that likes well done meat. But to each his own. I have a feeling this is going to work out fantastic. All right, here's the actual, this is the AJ300, so I don't have the deluxe model. But the only thing I think is different is that they have a thermometer. I have a thermometer, and then if I wanted to get like a wireless thermometer, I think you can pick one up like on Amazon for $100. I'm not too sure how much they are on Thermapen. I'd have to do a bit of research because I'm very happy with the Thermapen brand thermometers. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 5 skewers, and I also have some of those other smaller skewers from the accessory kit for the Ninja Foodi that I could possibly use in this unit, which is nice. This is the cleaning brush. Let's open that up. I know you guys are like chomping at the bit to see this machine. So am I. Oh, that's cute. Let's see if we can actually get this out of here. It's actually, this box does not weigh that much. It doesn't weigh as much as the Ninja Foodi. All right, here's the grate. This is the actual grill grate. Let's open this guy. Here it is right here. It's not too bad. Seems like it has like a non-stick surface on it. You can see where the brush would come in handy to get into those nooks and crannies just like that. That's gonna be awesome. Let me put this over to the side because I have to wash all this stuff before I can use it. Let's take this lovely foam packing out of here. Here goes nothing. Maybe I'll put this on the floor and do it because I'm kind of short. Ugh. hold on. I should weigh these. Maybe it does weigh as much as a Ninja Foodi. But it's still not bad. I don't consider it, maybe, you know. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see. All right, we're gonna take all this tape off. This is kind of cool too. It says sneak a peek. Lift the hood to automatically pause the timer so you can check on your food while it's cooking. Now they didn't have that on the Ninja Foodi. I think they picked that up from, I don't know, maybe from users like people like me that use it all the time. That it's great that you can just raise it up and check and it restarts back up again. That's one of the best features about it. All right, this is looking nice. It's really nice. Okay, must be the same thing on the square. That's where the hot air comes out. Do not block. Grill tips, excuse me. Got low, high. Look at that. Burger, chicken, steak, fish, and skewers. That's fantastic. So I want to make, oh, look at this. I know, I probably should read the directions before I start messing with stuff, but that's okay. Take this stuff out. This is the basket. This is the air crisp basket. This, I don't know, it looks bigger to me. I think it's gonna be able to hold a heck of a lot more wings, a lot more fries, and like chicken breast. I can probably get 3 whole chicken breasts in here, the big ones that I make. So that's good. Let me put this off to the side. Take all this stuff out of here. Whoops. That must be the inner pan, I'm assuming. Put that over there. Take all this cardboard and stuff out. Oh, this is the hot surface. Okay. Let's see, people. Look, there's indentations too. You can actually see there's an indentation here. It's square. And there's a square down here. So you can actually put it in. There's only one way you can put this in. It goes in like this. Because if you try to put it this way, it doesn't fit. Let me see if I can do it this way. It doesn't fit. So there's only one way that you can put this in here, which is kind of cool. I can hear the fan in there and I want to look at it. All right, we're going for it. Let's see, arrow points up. This must be like a filter basket. Oh, fabulous. This is really nice. There's like a filter basket. I took this filter, basically it looks like a filter basket with no like filter in it, like a charcoal filter or anything. So that is pretty cool. And I basically, it goes in like this. That's the heating element. The same star tip screws. And push that up and put it right back in. That's pretty cool. So this must just go in. Oh, cool, look at that. That goes in just like that. That's the grill. Let's see how the basket works. Whoops. The basket sits on a lip. Pretty nifty. Let me see if it fits this way. Oh yeah, it fits either way. Cool. Alright, sorry, I'm just intrigued with this thing. Lower it down. Okay. I'm going to sign off for now. What I am going to do, I'm going to wash all the accessory in pieces, and we're going to grill up some chicken thighs just to see how it comes out. Okay, this is the maiden voyage. I do have 2 fresh chicken thighs, and actually 2 pieces of skin to throw in there too, just to see what happens. They're not frozen, they're fresh, so they're completely defrosted and everything else. Just picked them up at the grocery store this morning. I just read the directions. You want this to preheat for 8 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Maybe. There we go. I had to press it a bit harder. Turn it on. It's a nice digital display. Now this model has the grill function, has air crisp, dehydrate, roast, and bake. We are going to grill because according to this instruction paper right here, it is saying fresh bone-in chicken thighs. It says 4, but we're only going to do 2. It says pat dry, rub with 1 teaspoon canola oil, season with salt and pepper. High 23 to 26 minutes. Flip halfway through cooking time. So what we're going to do, we're going to grill these. So we're going to hit, let's see, the 10. No, hit grill first, 500. That's high. Oh, that's cute. I like this. The little red flames illuminate. That's kind of nice. So it's going to be 500. I'm going to press start, so it's preheating. I probably should have done the time. It's kind of nice. It'll preheat while I'm doing the time. I'm going to set it for 25 minutes. Now in 8 minutes, I'm not sure if this is going to chime or not, but it's preheating right now. We'll have to see if it chimes, and I will let you know if it actually chimes. I'm just focusing on the chicken because I'm going to salt and pepper these, and I'm also going to put some Indian spices on these 2 chicken breasts. But I wanted you to listen. Let me go back over to the grill. The microphone is dead on, straight, right at this Ninja Foodi grill. It's a bit noisy, but it's tolerable. It's not that bad. I think it's a little louder than my Ninja Foodis. The 6.5. The 8-quart, it might run neck and neck with the Ninja Grill here. But it's really not that bad. While we're waiting, I am going to season this chicken with salt and pepper. I'm also going to salt the chicken skin. We're just throwing this in just for fun, just to see what would happen. And I'm going to use these tongs to flip this meat so I don't dirty my hands like I usually do. Once again, a bit of salt. Little pepper. Gorgeous. And I'm just gonna, you know something? I'm only gonna do one of these with the Indian spice. This is my favorite. Because I'm curious to see how the skin is gonna come out by leaving it basically alone, I guess. Without anything covering it, because sometimes the spices will burn. So I'm curious to see what's gonna happen. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let me go wash those tongs. And we're just waiting for this to preheat. One thing I did notice while it's preheating, it started with the 1 white line. And just a few minutes ago, it was right here, 1, 2, 3. So I have a feeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There might be 2 more white lines to equal that's a full 8 minutes. Just things that I'm noticing. This is the first time I'm using this. Once again, I'm not being compensated for this. This is going to be a 100% honest opinion of the new Ninja Foodi grill. It actually says add food, which is awesome, and it did chime. So we're gonna go up to the basket area. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Ninja Foodi grill. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, hear that sizzle? That's fabulous. I'm gonna do 1 skin side up, 1 skin side down, and I'm just going to toss these chicken pieces in here just for fun. Just for fun, people. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and lower the lid. It's smoking just a bit. Nice. And you know something? I do believe the alarms on it, or the chimes, or the sounds, I do believe they're a bit louder than the Ninja Foodi. So I'm going to check this in probably like 12, 13 minutes, and we're going to flip the chicken. And then we're also going to keep track to see if this thing smokes. Maybe because I added the chicken fat, but we're going to see what happens. But I can hear it. I'm not sure if you can hear it. It's sizzling away in there. Oh, I can't wait for this chicken to come out. So we're coming up 13 minutes and 15 seconds are left. We're going to go ahead and pop the top. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that chicken skin. That is freaking awesome. Holy mackerel. We're going to go ahead and turn over the chicken. We got some nice, whoops, it's too high. We got some nice color there. The fat's browning up nicely. We're going to flip that one. Chicken skin. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to take one piece of chicken skin out. I should probably take them both out. That was just an experiment to do. And we're gonna lower the heat. We're gonna lower the lid. So I have about 5 minutes and 30 seconds left, and I can't help myself. I really want to tempt this chicken, so we're gonna pop the lid. It's looking really good. So we're just gonna do a quick temp just for, oh my, I think this is done already. Let me go to the bone. Where's the bone? Where's the bone? Stabbing it all over the place. Uh-oh, now we're gonna smoke. Whoopsies. Okay, when you stab the chicken like that, it's gonna smoke. This chicken's done. We have, like, when you put the spices on and stuff, it's the same thing with the Ninja Foodi. The spices, they kind of, oops. And now we're smoking. I'm gonna set the smoke alarm off. So we're dripping grease. Beautiful. Look at the skin. Fantastic. Fantastic color. So, I'm actually gonna take this out. So this actually cooked. It's actually overcooked, but it will stay moist because it is a darker meat, and also it's bone in. And there's just something with the Ninja Foodi products that maintains the moisture of meat, proteins. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a plate and take these out. So this is my first time using it, so I want to hit stop. Cool. It says end when you're done. And then what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and shut it off. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna leave the lid open. I want this to cool so I can actually wash this up and get rid of that grease that's in there. And I re-temp the chicken just to make sure it was completely done, but look at that. This is, I mean, wow, gorgeous. I don't know if this is gonna make a noise. Crispy, crispy chicken. And it cooks faster than a Ninja Foodi. Well, the increase in temp, but I just want to let you know it actually cooked faster. So when I go ahead to make it again, I'm going to decrease the time to probably 20 minutes. So I'm going to let this cool, and we're going to do a taste test on this. This is going to be boiling hot right now, so we're going to wait a few minutes. Okay, time for that taste test. This is just an unboxing video, and it is its maiden voyage. I had no knowledge of the workings of the grill. Took it out of the box, read a few lines, not even the complete directions, and was able to use it. So it's user-friendly. There's a lot of things I could go over, but this is my first time using it, so just give me a couple weeks to a month, and I'll have an updated video on the grill. But let's see this. Then the juice, look at this. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, this is going to be hot. I might have to use a fork because it's too hot. It's not because I don't want to get my hands dirty, it's because the chicken is hot. Oh, this is fantastic. Ow! Mmm. It's really good. Really moist. Excuse me. Excellent. Do I recommend the Ninja Foodi grill so far with the first maiden voyage recipe? Yes, I do. But now we're going to put it to the test. In the next couple weeks, we're going to use each one of these functions. We're going to use the air crisp. We're actually going to dehydrate, roast, and bake. We're going to use them all. Every one of those. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all my viewers. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please like and subscribe and spread Pressure Crisp all over social media. Thanks a lot. Take care.